Are you afraid to speak English? Do you feel shy or nervous? Don't worry, you are not alone. Don't be shy, speak English today. When you try to speak English, you may feel, what if I make a mistake? People will laugh at me. My grammar is not good. But remember, mistakes are a part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Starts with simple sentences. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. Just say, "My name is Rafi. I am from Khulna. I want to learn English." That that's it. You spoke English. You took the first step, and that's what matters. Start small. Say three sentences aloud every day. Use a mirror or record yourself. Practice with a friend or comment on YouTube. Watch one English video daily with Bangla explanation. Don't wait for perfect English. Speak today and now, because the more you speak, the more confident you become. Be brave, be consistent. You will improve. Subscribe to Master English Hub and let's learn together.